What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to jump back on the RX-7. I bought an OMP wheel. I'm scared that I'm going to break off the turn signal and the cruise control if I start drifting the car, because that's the plan, is to set the car up for drifting. So I'm going to go ahead and put an aftermarket wheel, try to get my fingers away from and my hands away from those so I don't break them. And the other thing is I broke the driver door handle. Luckily, I had to buy a new ignition switch anyways because the car didn't come with keys. When I bought it, I bought a used, so it come with a key, ignition assist or lock cylinder, and it come with all new door handles. So gotta swap that out anyway, so let's get started. Alright, so this is the wheel I bought. It's the, like I said, OMP steering wheel. You wanna know which one it is? A 380. I got a good deal on it, so I know that's a little big. A lot of people usually go to 350. Even heard some 330s, but anyways, I'm on a budget kind of guy, so here it is. I am not going to run a quick release right now. I've had one of the regular style, bolt-on style hub adapters for a while, because I had it from my original RX-7, so I'm going to use it for now just to get a feel of what it is, and I may go back in and put a quick release on it later on if I feel that I need it. Also, didn't record it, but got me old Sparco fixed back seat. Yes, it is old. As you can tell, it's got a couple of bad spots in it. But for a budget person, like-minded person, I gave $100 for it, I believe. It works. It fits a lot better than, say, the Miata seats that were in it. So it'll do the trick. So let's go ahead and get started getting the factory style steering wheel off and getting the OMP on. Alright, y'all can see where the old door handle broke. Won't actuate the handle, so we're going to get this old one out of here and get a new one in to this hole. Alright, reverse shut. Alright, closed fine. No issues there. Oh, so nice. It's nice to have a door handle. All I got left now to do is put the door panel back on. Alright everybody, so that's pretty much it. Got the door handle in, works beautifully. Love the steering wheel. Only thing is, with the fixed back seat and the steering wheel, it's very hard to get in and out of the car. So I'm going to be ordering a quick release for it, so I can go ahead and get that in. So much easier to get in with the steering wheel out the way. So we're going to do that. I've got an alternator ordered and some new headlight bulbs. I have a dead headlight bulb, HID, so I'm going to go to LED instead. And the alternator officially took a crap on me. So I'm going to get that fixed, get it back up and running, and start driving the car a little bit more often. So if you like what you're seeing, please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll catch you next time.